This morning I'm back on the farm with a new target in mind. The farm has a massive house sparrow and finch problem, and I'm going to try to set aim on them today. Now I know it's almost impossible to shoot all of these house sparrows and finches, but it's always a good idea to lower their numbers, especially if you can identify a small flock and try to lower the numbers in that specific flock. The area on the farm that I'm shooting at today has a few small flocks that's much easier to identify and get under control. Solid shot. Before we get into the shooting, I want to share with you my setup that I have here today. Obviously, like I said, it's the Delta Wolf here, and today's configuration is in 22 caliber, shooting the H&N Barracuda Match 21 grains at around 885 feet per second, and it's giving me a really good accuracy. Scope of choice is the Vector Continental. This one is the 5x30x56 first focal plane, a beast of a scope. Moderator of choice for today is the DonnyFL FatBoy. This is a really nice scope, and it suits this package really well. It's not long, it just works very well. And then obviously I'm using my Eaglevisioncam scope cam setup with the GoPro Euro 7 Black, and basically that's that. So without hesitation, let's start shooting and enjoy it with me. Oh, solid. Oh, beauty. That one is at around 40 meters. But that was a damn nice shot. Oh, beauty, 46 meters. Oh, nice. Another one at 46. That was solid. One at 30. Beautiful shot, 35. Oh, there's another one. Oh, two beautiful cracking shots, 35 meters. Another one at 35. Smoke team, 40 meters. Time to move. These guys are busy working here, so let's see if I can find a different spot where we can smack a couple more. Okay, I've moved to a different position because the guys back there are busy. So I decided while I still have a couple of minutes left, why not take a couple of doves to take home, because I always use them. So I'm gonna take a few shots on these doves in these open feedlots. So let's get into it. First one up, 38 meters. Beauty. Oh, solid. Oh, beautiful shot. It's still hanging right there. Don't know how that's possible. Seems like they've put up 2 wires there, but it's hanging on both of those wires. Cracking shots, 3 in a row. I'm very happy so far. A good couple for the pot so far. Well, there you go, guys and girls. It was a pretty successful day with the Delta Wolf out here today. It really did an awesome job taking down these house sparrows and a couple of finches. I know there's a massive finch and house sparrow issue on the farm, so I'll make a plan to come out again and just focus on them for the day. I must say I really enjoyed shooting the Delta Wolf today. It really delivered for me. Even though it wasn't long range shots, it was really nice to be out here again and shoot a little bit. If you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, also share it with your buddies, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified with all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!